Hi guys, it's Rebecca here, and today I wanted to talk to you about one of the best beauty package boxes I've ever received. Now, if you're like me, you take a great deal of pride in the way that you look. And that all starts with using great products and establishing great routines. That's why I literally could not wait to talk to you about the Wonder Vida beauty box. Now, the package comes with 5 amazing products. First is this face mask that helps to unclog pores and get rid of stubborn blackheads. Next is the acne cream, which helps to fight pimples and prevent future breakouts. The third is the Wonder Vida teeth whitening charcoal. It makes my teeth up to 5 times whiter while fighting bacteria. And I should add that it's also fluoride free. But that's not all. Wonder Vida threw in 2 additional products to add to my skincare routine.
And if you are a member, you're eligible to win monthly prizes.
Seriously guys, stop what you're doing right now and go get yours today.